Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Apliiq account to your Shopify store. So whenever you have a product design on Apliiq and you want to send it directly to your Shopify store, I'm going to show you how you can integrate both of them together so you can sell your design on the Shopify platform or easily dropship Apliiq product on your Shopify store. So to get started, you're going to need to create an account with Apliiq if you don't have an account with them already, and if you don't have a Shopify store already, you're going to have to create an account with them as well. So I'm going to add a link at the description of the video, so just go there, create your account, and once your account is ready, what you want to do is come over to Apliiq here, then click on start your design if you don't have a design already. So for example, you don't have a design already, you can just go through this short quiz here, then choose what you want to do. Then after that, you'll be able to design your product. Then after that, you can now integrate it to Shopify. So here you can just choose whichever of the design you want to work with. So for example, this is what you want to design. So what you want to do is you want to choose your color. Then once you've chosen your color, you want to add your artwork to it. So I'm just going to click on add artwork. So it's going to redirect you to your desktop, so you can choose your logo here, then add it to the product. All right, so I'm just going to click on, let's see, on garments. All right, so this is the t-shirt logo I want to add to this t-shirt. So after that, you can just scroll down here, then you can click on remove the white background. All right, so as you can see, I've just added the logo to it. All right, so the next thing you want to do now is to come over here, then click on next. Okay, so when you click on next, you'll be able to push the product to your Shopify store. But before you do that, now let me quickly show you how you can integrate your store together. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on get started. So when you click on get started, you're going to see wheels to sell here. So click on Shopify app. So when you click on the Shopify app, it's going to redirect you to where you can install the app. Now, other than this, you can also come back to your Shopify store. So when you're in your Shopify store, what you want to do is you want to come to this app section here, then click on all recommended apps, then click on Shopify App Store. So it's going to redirect you to the Shopify App Store. So from the store, you can now come over here, then search for Apliiq Print on Demand. So this is the app, so click on it. So when you click on it, you'll be able to install it to your Shopify store. But if you don't want to do this, you can just come back to the website as well, then click on install app. So click on install app. So as you can see, it's going to redirect you back to the Shopify App Store. So what you want to do now is you want to click on install. So you're going to come over here again, then click on install. All right, so as you can see now, the Apliiq has been connected to your Shopify store. So whenever you have a design on your Apliiq account, you can now easily push them to your Shopify store. So for example, you want to push this design to your Shopify store. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on next. So as you can see now, the option for me to dropship this product is not here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to refresh this. So as you can see, I've just refreshed this and the option is now available. So when I click on dropship this product, it's going to bring out where I can actually enter the product details, the product pricing, and everything before I now move this product directly to my Shopify store. So what you have to do here is come over here, then click on create new product. So when you click on create new product, this is where you're going to enter the title of the product or the name of the product design. So you're going to enter it here, then here you're going to enter the product description. Then after that, you're just going to click on save, and the product is going to be sent to your Shopify store. All right, so as you can see, it says success, we've added your product to your store. So this is basically how you can connect your Apliiq account to your Shopify store. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.